Nils is a very small company, but it's have the very quickly response about the some requests we have. Is have the very good people work inside, and they have a lot of passion. When they have a lot of passion, it's more easy to make the best.
Our philosophy is for sure the performance product. Sometimes we face a question that with the high performance product, it's a little bit not really our interest because the product is working for significantly bigger number of hours. But for sure, we know that the final user of this product is more happy with such product, and we were almost quite sure that the client will return. We see that the high performance product is something that clients appreciate very much. We really prefer small quantities but really perform product.
My dad already told me in the past it was always a dream from every rider to be once a Honda factory rider because it was always something special. In the GP the level every year gets higher, like the speed, everybody's on the limit. With the engine, everybody is trying to find the most power you can have. It's not always easy, and especially you need to find the limit that you have the power but the engine still don't break.
You have to trust your bike because it's that your second part. You can concentrate on the track, you can concentrate on your riding and just thinking about race. I'm really aggressive with the bike, so I'm giving all what the bike have. No, I'm living in the air, and I never think about the bike because I know the bike can handle my style.
regards our cooperation with Honda, we started 5-6 years ago. This type of cooperation is important for both parts, as Honda is really obtaining perform product, and you know, on a racing level this is really extremely important to have product on certain level. For us it's very important relationship because it gives us visibility, and from our side we are also very happy with this cooperation.
The philosophy from Honda is to use the best quality of the oil. When we open the engine, we see the result about the oil. We have also a scientific number, not only feeling, no?
I do my best, you know, and then team does the best, and we all together we improving.
The bike just works all the time the same, and that makes it much more easy for the rider, for the mechanic, for the teams, for everyone.
Wow.